Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how we can fix the issue with JBL Tune 660NC that they are not working, the one side is not working. So turn on the headphones, and then what you can try to do, this is like really simple, hold the minus and plus together for about 10 seconds. So you're going to reset the headphones and you will see that they are going to like turn off. And it's going to even see that, okay, they are going to be turned off. And this means that right now the factory reset was finished. And this is something that you can try to do and it can possibly work in your favor. So you're going to hold the minus and plus button for about 10 seconds. And this is the solution for it. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Let me know down below in the comments if it helped you or if it didn't. And I will be really curious for your answer, and have a great day and goodbye.